Right, we're at the Cavern of Lost Souls. We're just going to call it the Filth Cave from now on.
Call it the Filthy Cave.
This used to be a nice place. A lot of YouTubers have ruined it. It's fair enough. You're going to share your location and stuff. But when you come here, don't ruin it. The amount of boats, rubbish and stuff down here is crazy. Right, have a look. We got all this place, the car cave. It's been a dumping ground for cars and shit for a long time. Alright.
Sorry, mate. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. Yeah.
Last time I came here, it's really upsetting.
Actually, do you know what, Gareth? That's a really good point. What I'm going to do, if I could just have 30 seconds.
Where's the light coming from? Oh, your head.
Warning! Warning! This is a video disclaimer. If you are here to watch this video, be prepared to be offended, sworn at, and called a dirty little. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.
That's the start you need. Yeah. Right, so the Cavern of Lost Souls is technically down there. We're not going down there because that's death.
No, but we will be.
But that's where the cars have been driven off and chucked straight down there. There's another one here.
All of this was backfilled then.
Probably got these cars are so rusted you don't want to put any weight on them. Right, let's make some preparations. Whoa, whoa, you good? Jared, you good?
Yeah. Oh, my God. Oh. Yeah.
Oh. You good?
Yeah, I just bent my wrist.
Oh.
Then I landed and put my wrist down.
Mate, that made a hell of a bang.
That was, yeah.
It smells as well.
Tired.
Mate, this stinks. It sounded like it hurt, mate. Oh no, I'm dreading it. Oh, I'm in. Ooh. Ah. It's cold. Mate, it's so cold. Oh my god, it's colder than ever. Oh. Sorry, swearing. Oh, me. Oh yeah. Oh mate, that's horrible. Yeah. We're good now. It's only a little tiny bit. Oh. Okay, out it's water. Sorry, I'm leaving you, pal. Full of filth in here. Literally Cavern of Lost filth. Oh, what's the point, mate? I can understand coming to these places because they're cool, but then if it's cool, why trash it? Oh, I'm so cold. Oh my god.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh. 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 Oh sorry, I'm just straining my belly.
Oh right. No, it's fine now. This place is technically called Gaerwern. I've been trying to find things. No one really knows where the cars came from. I imagine some farmer there somewhere. That was really cold, mate. I think if that had been higher and it touched my balls, I would have died. Yeah, all these bags everywhere for people wrapping them around their feet. That's why you can see tape on them.
Go to ticket! Go your ticket! Ticket speed!
Oh, what is this?
It's ticket shop.
What do you reckon this was?
Ticket shop.
It's tuck shop. They were selling sarnies and stuff in here. Yeah. This is where Edna had her buns.
You can't come in on the slide.
This is all disgusting. And where they take
Owen. Right, our plan here is, we've got a little summer plan with boats. We need as many dinghies as we can. So we're going to salvage a load of dinghies down here, so we'll have a bit of a clean up. And it saves us time to buy them.
Hey, there is a camping spot there as well.
Apparently there's another... Wow, that's wet. Someone stole the anchor point. Fucking rob anything, the little pricks. What the hell are you going to do with that? They're like £2 off eBay.
That was me.
Huh.
Right, I'm going down. I'll be on the bottom. We're going to use this whole like up here. Like,
God, it stinks.
mate, it's this level here is absolutely...
Right, let's go see the cave first. I've not been down there. No, Cullen asked me to go down there as well. Abandoned and forgotten UK.
Nobody's been down there. I can't find anything of anybody going down there.
He was with... Oh yeah, he has. Hasn't he? Whoa. Whoa. Fuck me. The Cavern of Lost Filth.
Right, so just be careful out water right there. Yeah.
Blue car's got... Shine all your torches there as well. Blue car's gone off the end. Used to be there.
Yeah. Look, that's where we were stood though, right up there.
Right up there. I don't know whether this will pick anything up from here.
Yeah, that's hundreds of tons of rubbish though. But yeah, you're right, he's literally been on there, the blue car's gone, they probably pushed it in.
No, that was there still for a next load of videos, but someone's dropped it in.
Mate, it's crazy, isn't it? Mate, I didn't even realise the wall. What the fuck?
It's just filth.
It's just filth, it is just filth. It is, literally.
This is why I do want to come down here, because it's just trash.
Yeah.
Mate, it's from far apart though. It's a hell of a lot of countries. Yeah.
Picking up that this. These all of the heritage, the history, they are. Look at the size of that little dinghy there though.
Hey, there were members of
Yeah, there's some way with the dinghy, you find this one, pushed up water.
Put you back there. There's so many of them.
it's demoralising, I didn't even look in.
There's a handle on it though. So we get a bit of rope on the back, we can get these up easy. What's weird is a lot of them are the same boats.
Yeah.
It's the same people come back. Same one come back over and over. Like a grave, basically.
Roll them up. Use one.
Yeah, that bottom one to collect the rest, yeah.
I want us to try
Mate, that's a nice one. Look at that. Mate, that's an expensive one. Mate, that's expensive.
That's like a little, like those little Avon dinghies.
That's a good one, that would have been. An Aqua Marina. 2-man. Yeah, these have all got valves. Oh, fucking hell. I didn't realise how many there was.
Oh mate, there's loads. That's a fucking baby little thing that is.
Right, all them are complete. I don't think that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats there.
Oh, hang on, look. Urban Lad Yorkshire, Wee Man's World, Urbet with Taffy, 11th to the 7th, 2000. There, 20. Sorry.
Fuck me. This is really bad.
I got a rafter strap.
Right, I'm just gonna put these on the corner so it's easy to...
Oh, I almost lost the rafter strap.
Right. Have you chucked the strap underneath?
Yeah, okay, let me just untangle it.
We'll probably pop this one, getting it up the cliff face. But if we don't, we can use it to float these out rather than carry them.
Okay, can I give you that for a second?
Yeah. We want to take more, but we just won't be able to carry them up the cliff face. We could do it again another time.
Yeah.
We're making a difference, little bit by little bit anyway.
So, we've got our first bundle ready.
Where's the other pump?
Hang on, let me just put the pump in there because I've already got an ore from here before. So let's just take the pump too.
There's another one behind you as well, a better one. The one I used to pump this up.
What's that black one?
Oh, maybe it's inside.
Oh, right, Sam. Right. I'll grab
There's a handle somewhere.
yeah, I'll grab the bottom one.
I tied a bit of string in case the handle's awkward.
Right, here we are. This, we found gold.
We have.
We struck gold.
It's probably, these are probably worth more money than any of the gold we found in mines.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
We got a good plan for these in the summer. I won't tell you about it yet, but it'll be good. Right, let's go and have a look down that attic before we bugger off. I don't even like it in there, it's weird.
I've got to be honest, I find this place like dirty.
It smells as well, doesn't it?
Full of shit and piss.
Oh, is it? Oh, I know you just said that, Gareth, but
I'm still going. Yeah, I need to see it now.
I need to see the piss and shit.
And not necessarily that.
Oh man, it stinks.
I'm looking for human turds on the floor just in case. Oh, goat.
Oh.
I thought it was a dead end. Do you know what? They don't come this way, there's no graffiti.
No.
This is what this mine should look like.
Who the fuck is this building? Oh yeah, there is some shit in there.
Huh?
That's not where we were having the tea up there.
There is what?
We wasn't. Oh mate, you know where we were having the tea, where we came off? We're on the other side of that window from the top.
Oh, fucking hell.
Right.
So it doesn't go anywhere, does it? No.
No.
Oh, look!
Oh, mate.
That's the valve.
That is probably the valve as well. I'll get up onto...
Right. Oh, trying to kill me, mate. Trying to kill me. Yep. Yep, we all. That's him. Oh, the pump's about to come out. Oh, fuck it. I'll catch it if it does.
I got it.
You good?
Yeah.
I didn't even take a picture down that cave or nothing. Tell me when to pull.
On the count of three, I'm going to lift and pull.
All right.
On three, yeah?
Yep.
Right, 1, 2, 3. That's it. I haven't got it now. Right, if you can hold it.
Give me some rope I can...
Sorry. That was a mission getting that up here. Okay, are we doing well, boys?
Yeah.
We managed to salvage 6 boats, you dirty bastards.
Yeah.
I think we popped one of them at the bottom getting it out, but just trying to fit all our stuff, all our people, and all the boats into a courser now and to go home.